This is the shoulder joint, abduction and adduction. So abducting away from the body, adducting back to the body. So one more time, abduction, adduction. This is on the AP axis on the frontal plane. This one is lumbar spine, lateral flexion. This is going to be on the frontal plane along the AP axis, just like our shoulders. We're going to be going from side to side. So the next one is going to be on the shoulder girdle. What we're going to do is we're going to extend our arms in front. This is going to be overreaching, and this is protraction of our shoulders, and we're going to bring them all the way back, retracting our shoulder blades back. This is retraction. So one more time, protraction, retraction. This is on the transverse axis on the sagittal plane. The knee, we're going to be talking about the extension of the knee and retraction of the knee. Extension, flexion. Extension, flexion. This is on the transverse axis on the sagittal plane. About today is going to be the hip. So we're going to be bringing our hip, rotating it towards the middle of our body. This is medial flexion because we're going to the middle, and away from our body, lateral. So away from the body, lateral, towards the middle, medial flexion of the hip. And this is on the longitudinal axis on the transverse plane. And the last one that we're going to be talking about is going to be tensegrity. So tensegrity, a relationship between a solid structure and tension. So right now I have 6 dowels and they're connected by rubber bands. Now the dowels are not touching, of course, but I do have an awkwardly shaped little a connection here, mainly because I have too much tension on some of these rubber bands that are causing these 2 dowels specifically to be angled towards the inside, and then the opposite side they're actually facing away. This is very much like how our body operates. If there's too much tension in one place, you're going to get a little bit of a release or maybe something lacking somewhere else. So if we end up developing, let's say, our chest more than we develop our back, what's going to happen is our chest is going to end up getting really, really tight, but our shoulders are going to start rolling forward and they're going to get really extended.